Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the separated moving average indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched our first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that now. At the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below. You can also find a link to sign up for TradingView down below. If you use the link below, you will save a little bit of money. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform. On our Discord server, we are having great conversations about all things regarding trading. One of the biggest struggles on this channel is people who use other platforms like MT4 being able to follow along. Sometimes it can be hard to find the indicators we are using on other platforms. And so on our Discord server, I have created a channel for indicator creation. And on that channel, I pinned links to freelancers who can code indicators for MT or for TradingView. So if you don't want to create a TradingView account, you can hire a freelancer for a really small fee and have them code an indicator for the MT platform. Or if you are on TradingView and need an indicator created, something unique or an indicator for a system you have developed, you can also have them code PineScript. So use the link for either MT4 coding or use the link for PineScript. Lastly, I get a lot of people that are asking me for the entire list of all the winning indicators that we have tested to date. And whereas I am not a big proponent of gatekeeping information, I've put a lot of time and effort into creating the content on my YouTube channel. And so I don't think it is too much to ask for the viewers to go through and view the content that I've spent a lot of time creating. Now, if you are not interested in supporting our channel by going back and watching the content that I have created, then I have developed a solution for you. I've created a Patreon account. I will put a link to it down below in the description. If you sign up for Patreon and you sign up for the $9 a month account, I will send you the full list of tested and winning indicators to date. I will also send you an updated list of the indicators that we are testing at the end of each week. Now, of course, you have to stay subscribed to the $9 subscription, monthly subscription, to continue to receive the updated list of indicators. But that way it will provide me with the support that I need to continue to provide the free content that I am putting out for everybody to view. Now, if you just love the channel in general and want to support us, then there is also a lower, I think $3 Patreon subscription that you can sign up for that will also help support the channel and keep things going so that way I can continue to produce the content and the open information that we are creating here in this channel and in our Discord server. Again, if you have not signed up for our Discord, then you need to do that as well. It is a absolutely free platform where we have real-time ability to chat and have conversations about trading. And again, if you want to support the channel with Patreon, then you can find the link down below in the description. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the separated moving average indicator. But before we do, I wanted to put the indicator scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested 142 indicators. And out of those 142 indicators, 59 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 59 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. All right. So today's indicator is the separated moving average indicator. The concept behind it is relatively simple. Of course, you can see it on screen here. It is a TradingView member created indicator, and so of course you can find a link to it down below in the description. And so basically what you have is two moving averages, and they create a channel. And the top moving average, which it's kind of hard to see, but you can see these black lines here, and you can see the top of this blue cloud. That is a moving average. The top moving average is based off of the close of all the green candles. And the lower moving average is based off of the close of all the red candles. And so positive candles on top and negative candles on bottom. Now the creator did not really specify exactly how this should be traded. This is actually a second version of this indicator. There was a first version which quite literally was just two lines. And then, like I said, the creator fixed a few things and updated it, and this is the second version. Now, in this one, it gives a little bit more idea of what we how we should trade it, I guess is what I'm trying to say here. And you can see that it now has these black dots that appear, and you see breaks in the upper and lower line. And so this tells me that it is similar to the parabolic SAR. If you have watched that video that we did on that, and if you know the parabolic SAR, basically it has dots that appear above price action and below price action. When the dot switches from the lower position to the upper position, that is a signal to go short. And vice versa, when it switches from the upper position to the lower position, that is a signal to go long. And so here we have kind of a similar setup. Like I said, you have the black dot and you have the line that follows. And as it breaks from top to bottom, that is a signal to go long. As it breaks from bottom to top, that is a signal to go short. And so that is how we are going to be testing it today. Before we get into testing today's indicator, though, I wanted to talk about the ability to use indicators and do charting on a mobile device. Doesn't really matter if it is an Android device or an iPhone. Regardless of which platform you are using for a mobile device, TradingView has an excellent app that you can download on any mobile device. whether it be a mobile phone or a tablet or what have you. And so it is basically has all the functionalities of the desktop version. It is very user friendly. It is very easy to use. Um, I don't have a demo of it on screen, unfortunately. If I had thought about it, I would have pulled up a simulator and pulled up the demo version on screen. But I assure you that, like I said, it is an awesome app with tons of the same features that you have here on the desktop version. And I think one of the things that I like the most about it is that it really makes the ability to do charting on your phone like super simple. If you have other platforms like the MT platforms and stuff like that, or some of the other trading platforms like Thinkorswim and different ones, it's almost impossible to do any kind of charting on a mobile device or a tablet of any sort. And the great thing about TradingView is that since it is a browser-based platform, it's super easy for them to uh, transfer, that ability to be used on a mobile device. And so another great thing about it is, and probably one of the best features that I use the most, is the ability for you to set alerts for whatever you want to set an alert for. Say I don't know if it'll let me do it here on while I'm in replay. It won't. Anyway, so you can set alerts in TradingView. If you don't know how to do that, just look that up. It's super simple. As a matter of fact, at the end of this video, I will cancel out of the replay function, and I will show you a few different alerts. I mean, you can set alerts for tons of different things. Price levels for different indicator criterias and so on. And the best part is, again, if you have the mobile version downloaded, say, on your phone, and you are logged into the app on your phone, you can close out of the app and you can set the alerts to do a push notification or an app notification. And what it will do is it will ping a push notification from the app when the alert is triggered. And so again, all in all, if you're looking for indicators on a mobile device, if you're looking for charting on a mobile device, if you're looking for push notifications for alerts that you have set up for trading, then there is no better platform than the TradingView and the TradingView app. So I highly recommend that you check that out. All right, so into today's indicator. Like I said, it's pretty simple setup. When the black dot appears above price action, when it jumps from below to above, that is a signal to go short. When it jumps from above to below, that is a signal to go long. And that's how we will be testing it today. All right, so there is the first signal, and that worked out pretty well. Not bad at all. Got some decent movement out of it. And it's plugging along. There is the second signal. That one did not work out quite as well. And the third signal there was a short. No, I'm sorry, that is a long, actually. And so that one did not work out well. We don't pick up the short until back here. That's pretty late in the move. But hey, it's still Still pushed down pretty hard and got us to take profit. So far, not too horrible. Keep plugging along here. See that price action is really stalled here. Looks like we've hit an accumulation phase from the market makers, just kind of chopping things to the side here. Looks like it's starting to break up here a little bit. Let's see if we pick up another signal. Nope, it went ahead and took a nosedive there, and throw us a signal right there. That's going to be a long signal. Let's see what it does. And we miss out on that one as well. Then it throws a short signal. That one definitely got us to take profit already. Looks like price is going to slow down here. It's had a big move up, then a big push down. Now it's starting to bounce its way back up. Let's see how far it goes, see if we can get a break. And there we go. A signal to go long. There's a lot of movement took place there from price action. It's now starting to trickle its way down a little bit. Push back up a little bump there. Let's see. So that one didn't work out for us. That was a short. We pick up a long right there. Looks like we got stopped out on the long side. Nope, not quite yet. Let's play it out a little bit and see what it does. Ooh, it shot up out of there. Let's see. Let's double check that we... Nope, we did not. So that was a good long signal there. It's had a lot of push to the upside now. And you can see that it's kind of rolling over, doing a harsh pullback right here. Let's see what price action does. And it just nosedives. Doesn't even attempt a second touch up. It just dropped right out. And we get a short signal right there. Looks like we might have, yep, as I feared, got stopped out right there. And then unfortunately, right after, it finishes its strong move to the downside. Now there is a long signal right there. That one got us to take profits. And trickle down. Didn't quite double check, but I don't think, yeah, might have. Nope. It would be close, but that one missed. Take profit. And then again, it comes up and drops down pretty quick. Got pretty close to breaking out there, but yeah, it ended up dropping down there. Let's see, that's a long signal there. That one obviously didn't work out for us. Then a short signal here. That one did all right. There's a long signal there. Looks like we may have just squeezed out. Nope, actually. I think we're going to be short. We are. Let's play it forward a little bit and see if it makes a push to the upside. There we go. That one got us to 60 pips there. And then that officially puts us at the end of the year. Alright, so there we have it, the separated moving average indicator. Let's count them out and see what we got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. So we have 15 signals all together. And we have, let's see here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 winning trades. So unfortunately, that is not going to get us to the 60% win rate that we were looking for. This indicator's it's not horrible, but it's a little strange. Seems to give signals rather late. I noticed that often it gives a signal right as soon as it's getting a pullback. And so, let's see. Not there. There was a couple spots. And I guess not every single time, but it did, like this one right here. I mean, we ended up getting the win, but just barely. Gives us a signal here, and then as soon as it does, it pulls back into the cloud, and then boom, shoots up and out of there. Right here, gives us a signal to go short. Right as soon as it does, pulls back into the cloud, almost to the line, and then drops down pretty hard. Right here, gives us a signal to go long, pulls back into the cloud, and then shoots out and takes off. Right here, gives us a signal to go short, pulls back into the cloud, and then shoots down. So you see, seems kind of interesting that it keeps throwing these signals right as soon as it's nearing a significant pullback level. I would venture to say that a good deal of these moves are running right into Fibonacci levels. Yeah. And so they're kind of bouncing right into Fibonacci levels as soon as it's throwing a signal. And so yeah, it's timing's just slightly off on it. Might be something there with the whole pullback thing, but at this point it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. Oh yes, as I said, let me exit out of the replay function here and take a look at, I've done this once before I think on another video, but let's take a look at some of, so for example, say I wanted to set a alert that every time the upper moving average here was broke by price action, that it would send me an alert, say to my phone and to the desktop here. What I do is click on it, and you can see these dots appear. And if you right click, so get right on the line where it has the little finger and not your crosshair and not your crosshair, and right click and then add alert. And now what it's going to do is it's going to pop up this box right here. And from this box here, we can create an alert and we can set the conditions of the alert that we want to fire off. You can have multiple alerts, it's not just one. And so currently the condition is set because we clicked on the indicator itself. It's set on the separated moving average indicator. So the first thing that we wanted to do, let's say that we wanted to create an alert that when the price action breaks above the upper line here, then it then fires the alert to our desktop or to our mobile device through the app. So what we would do is we would change this upper here to reflect the pair that we're on. Then what we're going to do is we're going to say crossing. And what you would want to do is if you're setting it for a cross up, then you would say crossing up. So you click on that and say crossing up. If you just leave it on crossing, then it is going to set off the alert every time it crosses up or below. So anytime it crosses at all. So you would set crossing, you would set crossing up, and then your next value. So when price action, this pair crosses up above the separated moving average upper line, you could do upper or you could do lower, upper line, then this alert is going to fire off. Now you can set the options where it's only once per bar close, or once per minute. And typically I do once per bar close because you want that alert to fire when this action has actually occurred. And so once that bar is closed and it has moved up and crossed that area, then you know that the price action is actually closed above this line. You can set an expiration, and then down here at the bottom, you can have it send you an email. You can have it do a pop-up, which is on the desktop here, or you can notify yourself in the app. There's some other functions down here, but basically the ones I do most is pop-up and notify in app. And then you would create, and once you create the condition, interesting. Never seen this pop up before. And so what it's saying is that it is based off of a indicator that can repaint. Fascinating. So this is a repainting indicator apparently, or at least that's what it's warning us of. Anyway, so we're going to continue just for the sake of science here. Now that we have done that, if we go over to the alarm clock over here on the side, that now holds all of our alerts. And for whatever reason, it did not set the alert. It kind of bugged out because of the indicator being repainting. So again, I've never seen that happen before, but there you go. That's how you would set a alert to fire off, notify you on your phone or on your desktop, or even send you an email. So all right, that's it for this video. We'll move on to the next one from here.
If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below, and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.